Hello guys, what's up again? And today sisirain natin yung Shelly, Shelbert, and then sino kasing siya? Isa Sheldon. Basta tatlo yan guys, and then just that three Shelly are I will gonna destroy for 2 times or 3 times. 3 times guys, 3 times. But fast forward guys. Okay. Oh my god, Where's that Sheldon? These are the most big Sheldons. What the hell? These many multiple. These are many This make me many types. These are many times are I drop them. But that's okay because I'm gonna destroy this fast. Yan si Sheldon. Unahin muna natin yung Sheldon ko. Oh my god. Drop ko niya at dalawang big Shelly. Dalawang giant Shelly at dalawang Nasa? At sisirain po natin yung dalawang dito, yung giant Shelly. Okay guys, so, magpapas forward na tayo dito. Oy, ba't tayo masira? Ay, sira na pala. Yan, sirain na natin yung Sheldon. Yan po yung Sheldon. Uy. Langurong mga to lahat. Okay, ito na lang, Shelbert. Only Shelbert lang maliit. Shelby. Oh my god. So many. Ang putang radio pack eh. Radio pack. Okay. So bye bye. Bye bye. Wait lang. Bye bye guys. Bye bye. Bye.